I decided to film myself doing this activity because I wanted to make sure that I could bring the field experience right to people, and I didn't want you guys to miss out on the opportunity to see my glasses being really fogged up by the cold weather. Sometimes I've taken students down to the pond to actually do this work. I'm just to the south of the natatorium on our school's campus to collect some of these specimens, but I think you'll be happy that you're not here with me today because it's about 44 degrees, the wind chill puts it at about 37, and then it's a light rain. And every student that I've seen on campus, so it's Thursday, October 29th, about 12:15, every student that's going to lunch right now, I just finished up my lunch. I actually got to go back and finish my salad after this, but I wanted to get it done during lunch here. They're putting their sweatshirts over their head. They're walking quickly. Nobody's really happy to be outside right now. Amazingly, check that out. We got a little bit of pollution. I don't know if you can see that. A discarded mask in the pond. Something that we'll have to talk about later is about the amount of trash and plastic and other types of consumables that are being used to help keep people safe during the pandemic. But there's all kinds of stuff. So I'm just looking through the reeds here to see if I can find a mass of algae. And the weather today kind of matters because I'm going to do a little bit of chemistry. And when you look at the data, you're going to find out very quickly that the amount of algae and the amount of dissolved oxygen is going to vary a little bit based on the temperature. So here I am at the pond. Check this out right here. There's a nice mass of algae. I'm going to take my bucket and try to scoop that up. Look at that right there. Look at that. That's fabulous. That's a fabulous specimen. Let's see if I can get another mass from another area, just so I have something slightly more representative. I don't see anything there. I see a lacrosse ball. Walking around on the outside here. The pond has really come up a lot since they did the construction here. There used to be a break in the liner, and because of that, we got a lot more algae growing because of the water moving out, in and out. Part of the job of this aerator, which looks like a fountain, is to keep the water from settling, and it actually helps combat the algae growth here a little bit. And this process called eutrophication. So let's see. I'm gonna wade in. Check it out. I specifically had to put my boots on, and it's always kind of tough to get out in the water in my dress clothes, but I'm doing it anyways. Looking for a nice mat of algae here. So cold that I'm not even finding frogs. That's perfect right there. I'm gonna grab this. Got it in my bucket. All right, back to the lab to determine the quantity of dissolved oxygen and get this experiment started to look at primary productivity in freshwater aquatic ecosystems.